Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Buchona outfit is probably one of the most striking and confident fashion statements you can make, embodying a unique blend of luxury, boldness, and undeniable allure that demands attention and celebrates a powerful feminine aesthetic, making it a captivating choice for those who dare to stand out and embrace a glamorous, unapologetic style that truly makes an impact wherever you go. Number 5. COOFANDY Men's Silk Satin Floral Dress Shirt. Discover the COOFANDY Men's Silk Satin Floral Dress Shirt. It's designed to make a statement, perfect for any special occasion. Crafted from premium silk satin, this shirt offers a smooth, comfortable feel against your skin. You'll appreciate its soft touch throughout the day or night. Featuring an intricate jacquard floral pattern, it adds a touch of sophistication and unique flair. This design ensures you stand out from the crowd with elegance. Whether it's a party, prom, or wedding, this button-up shirt is your ideal choice. It effortlessly transitions from formal to semi-formal settings, making it incredibly versatile. With its long sleeves and tailored cut, it offers a modern and flattering silhouette. This shirt combines classic appeal with contemporary fashion. Don't just dress up, stand out. Elevate your wardrobe with this exceptional piece and leave a lasting impression wherever you go. What we like? This shirt offers a luxurious silk satin feel with an eye-catching floral jacquard pattern. It's designed to make a statement at any formal event. If you are looking for a sophisticated and unique top to stand out, you should consider this elegant piece. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points about the Buchona outfit could be extracted. Number 4. Gejoy 90s Accessories Outfit. Relive the iconic styles of the 80s and 90s with this fantastic accessory kit. It's perfect for anyone looking to capture that retro vibe. Designed for women, this outfit is ideal for channeling your inner rapper or DJ. Embrace the bold and distinctive look of the era. Complete your transformation with stylish sunglasses. They add an essential touch of cool to any ensemble. Adorn yourself with the striking faux gold rope chain. It's a statement piece that truly defines the hip-hop aesthetic. Don't forget the matching earrings to elevate your look. These pieces tie the whole costume together seamlessly. Whether it's an 80s or 90s themed party, this kit has you covered. It provides all the essential elements for a memorable costume. What we like? This kit provides a full set of 90s themed accessories, perfect for transforming your look. It includes iconic faux gold jewelry and stylish sunglasses to complete your outfit. If you are looking for an instant costume for a themed party or a fun retro vibe, this collection is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews available to select from. No reviews available to select from. Number 3. SATINIOR 80s-90s Hip-Hop Costume Kit. Relive the iconic styles of the 80s and 90s with this complete hip-hop costume kit. It's designed for anyone looking to embrace that classic era. This comprehensive kit includes 5 essential pieces to perfect your look. You'll find everything you need to transform your style instantly. Adorn yourself with the classic dollar chain necklace and a matching ring. These pieces are crucial for an authentic hip-hop vibe. Top off your outfit with the stylish bucket hat and cool glasses. They add that unmistakable flair to your overall appearance. Complete your ensemble with the included earring. This versatile kit is perfect for both men and women who want to channel their inner rapper. No need to search for individual items. This kit provides a cohesive look. It makes dressing up simple and enjoyable for any themed event. What we like? This comprehensive 5-piece kit delivers an authentic 80s-90s hip-hop aesthetic. It features a bold dollar chain, a classic bucket hat, and other essential accessories. If you like to embody the iconic rapper style with a complete and coordinated set, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Number 2. MJartoria Layered Necklaces. Introducing the stunning MJartoria Layered Necklaces. These beautiful pieces are designed to elevate any look, blending modern trends with classic elegance. They feature a chic retro coin pendant, adding a unique touch to your style. This trendy detail makes them stand out effortlessly. With a combination of dainty and chunky chains, they offer a versatile layered aesthetic. This design allows for a sophisticated and fashionable statement. Crafted specifically for women, these necklaces are ideal for any occasion. Wear them to enhance your everyday outfit or for a special event. They make a perfect birthday gift or a thoughtful present for any jewelry lover. Give the gift of timeless style and elegance. What we like. This set offers a fashionable layered look with a mix of dainty and chunky chains. It features a stylish retro coin pendant that adds a touch of vintage charm. If you are looking for a versatile accessory to elevate your everyday outfits or add a trendy touch, this necklace set is a great option. What people say. No positive product details were found in the provided MP source. No positive product details were found in the provided MP source. Number 1. REYEOGO Shapewear Bodysuit. Introducing the ultimate solution for a sculpted look. This innovative garment is designed to enhance your natural curves and boost your confidence. Experience superior tummy control that smooths and flattens your midsection. It provides a sleek foundation for any outfit, ensuring a flawless appearance. Not just for your waist, it also features a butt-lifting design. This helps to naturally enhance and shape your rear, giving you a more defined silhouette. Its high waist design offers comprehensive coverage and support. This ensures it stays securely in place while providing continuous shaping throughout the day. Crafted for all-day wear, it offers comfortable slimming without sacrificing mobility. Feel confident and supported from morning to night. What we like. This shapewear bodysuit provides excellent tummy control and a noticeable butt-lifting effect. It's designed to smooth and sculpt your figure for a flawless silhouette. If you want to feel more confident in your clothes and achieve a streamlined look, this comfortable body shaper is an ideal choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source to extract points from. Unable to select points as the source JSON for reviews is empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.